Welcome to today's Calls in Action video brought to you by STS Pivot System Charting, part of Swing Trader Setups and DayTraderSetups.com, where we'll be reviewing some daily triggers from today's trading that's set up right off the charts. We may find some setups ready for reversals or retracement entries for trading tomorrow. Our factor system can be expanded to accommodate day traders, swing traders, and options traders, long-term and short-term. Easy to follow charts, triggers right on the chart, and scanners already pre-built. I'm not going to have a lot of time to go into looking for a lot of stuff. So much stuff moved today. I'm just going to share 7 or 8 quick charts with you. Take about 2 minutes that we actually were looking back and forth at in the trade room today, coming off of charts on the charts prior to the trade. We're just going to run through some of these. It's going to be really rapid. Keep in mind when you see the little green marks down here, that's one factor off the trigger. The little box gets over here in the left hand corner. It gives you the trigger price, and Netflix gave a trigger price as it was coming up here in this first leg, pulled back, adjusted the trigger price 304.55 on the chart, 11:26 a.m. That's about $14 move, still going up. Tesla, 1:18 p.m. This is on a big dollar factor chart, triggered here at 297.25 at 1:18. At 3:04 when I made this picture. Facebook this morning, 11:22 a.m. after all this chopping around in the morning, 150.53. At the time I took this shot, it was at 154.50. That was about 11:45 a.m. So in basically 25 minutes, the stock ran $4. So Facebook later on, as it ran on up here, it's on a much shorter time trend. We were showing this in the room as it came back down. This was an area it rejected to begin with. It was a little previous pivot high, and then it came back up and broke through that. When it came back to it, now it's going to become support. It lost the support, went sideways here, gave a 156.78 short, and it ended up selling off not a lot further than that, but that was the break. This is taking and applying our the big trend at the bottom, a bigger trend, and then the small trend that we try to work our stops off of. If you like to take a reversal trade, that's what you want to time that on. And we got it overlaid on a 2-minute chart, and that's running support and resistance lines. And you can change that 2-minute to 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and actually keep these other lines right intact where they already are. When you can't find a resistance area, you can just start toggling through time frames looking for that last place it rejected. This was Boeing this morning, 9:49 a.m. triggered a short at 330.23 after it ended this base chopping around, finally broke down again. That was down $6 or $5 there. Tesla on the morning break at 9:56 a.m. when the market had made the little turnover along in there. 304.75 was the trigger to the short side. You got a $10 run down right there this morning off of Tesla. And this was a rebound off of that at 292 at 11:22 a.m. I think we showed you that. That was the original break. And you know, it just kept going and kept going. That was on a smaller time frame for a reversal, and then you saw some of the bigger charts all the way back up as we viewed a minute ago. This was Goldman Sachs on a little bounce off the VWAP, all the way back right into this support resistance line, rolled over there, gave a short at 252 down to 251, back into the VWAP. A little scalp trade there on that short-term chart. You can find out more about the STS Pivot System Charting Package. It's a 7-day Free trial offer. You sign up for $69. If you don't like it, you don't want to keep it, 7-day, 10-day money back guarantee. You let us know, we give you money back. If not, you prepaid your first month subscription. To maintain it, you have a setup fee. You set it up, $69 a month to keep using it. Has the prices right on the chart. Works for day traders, swing traders, options traders alike. You can go over to daytradersetups.com, click on Ninja 8 charting package. You can find out more about how to get this thing set up. You got to set up and build data, or either get Kinetic for a data source to pretty much be in business the first day. It's right here at the end of the month. You would not want to sign up with Kinetic today, because they charge you a full month fee and there's only 3 or 4 months left. If you have TD Ameritrade or some of the others, you could check out right here about other data providers, and we have a data building package you could set up where you actually accumulate history. If you've got one of those providers, you can actually use this without any data provider, and we'll send you a little file to get you started on accumulating your data, and you run that about 3 days in the background while you're doing your regular thing, and then you sign up for our 7-day trial after you build up some data. And then if you're going to go with Kinetic, I would you either got to pay $72 now, and they're going to charge you for a full month just to get you to the end of the week, but you can pay it the first of the month, and then you'll be ongoing. You get 100 symbols over there for $72 a month. The Ninja Trader platform is free to use. And then you can go over to click on Swing Trader Setups charting package. It'll take you over here to tell you more information about signing up with us and how it works to get yourself started in this package. This is a little testimonial we have from a guy that came in off our alerts without the charts. The first week he was in, he had 7 trades and made money on 6 of the 7. So do a lot better if you're staring right at the chart when the trade comes across. But you just go down the page here, you sign up to right here, lets us know you're interested in this package, and fill in your information here. Then we'll get in touch with you and get you set up. But you need to get the data first. You need to watch some of the training videos. We got tons of them over on our YouTube channel, right where you're at now. And we're putting out, we've been doing the training videos on the package, getting started and so forth after you get your trial installed. And then we're starting this evening with some actually going through some charts and looking at how they interact, the different factor systems, and how the expected moves you can expect when one breaks up and it hadn't given that trade signal yet, to expect it to move back and so forth, and give you the size of those moves you can expect. You tie them all in together, you learn how to run this system. It's very easy. You have to get accustomed to it and really zoned in on it. And we're going to have some videos coming out, several this week, and I'm going to do a pretty detailed one tonight that'll be released probably around 9 o'clock. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.